every country, every middle power must realize policy based on its national interests. In Kazakhstan, it is the case. We are conducting policy which is based on our national interests. Our national interests include our territorial integrity, our independence, security for our people, stability of our country, of state institutions. Therefore, I think it is not so correct to ask which side we should choose. It's better to ask, what is your national interest? What is your national interest now, in future, in years to come? In our case, in Kazakhstan case, I cannot say about other countries, but in Kazakhstan's case, the most important goal for us to keep and strengthen our independence, as well as economic development of Kazakhstan. And in order to achieve those goals, we will cooperate with major powers. We will cooperate with the United States. It's one of the biggest investors of Kazakhstan's economy. In particular, American companies invested a lot in Kazakhstan's energy sector, and therefore we appreciate their investments, and therefore we want to work with them and to develop new projects. At the same time, we're interested in working with Chinese companies as well as European companies. And of course, Russia, as I mentioned, is one of our main partners. Therefore, in order to achieve our goals, our independence, our territorial integrity, and our economic development, we need to keep good relations with all major powers. Second point, I think my colleagues also raised this issue, that it is necessary to move towards a new paradigm of international relations. We need to leave stereotypes and approaches of the Cold War. Yeah. Today, our international system is developing around interests of great countries, great powers. I don't think it's right approach in the 21st century. We need new paradigm, new approach. In that new paradigm, interests of all countries should be balanced, and we need to respect the interests of all countries, treat them equally. That's the priority. That's the main point of new paradigm. Therefore, I think we need work towards establishing this new paradigm, this new system, and it's also on Kazakhstan's international agenda.